Okay, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to make a Chinese herbal soup. A soup for a summer day. This soup is good for you to keep your health, and do you know that a soup a day will keep you from doctor away? So today I'm going to make this video for you to show you how to make this soup. So after I blend this pork bone, it's become like this. This is around 6 pieces of pork bone. This is 4 pieces of honey taste. This is the tangerine. I soak and take away the white things so that the soup will be better, not so bitter. So this is dry coconut. This is a lily pulp. This is a fragrant slice of solomonseal. And this is a slice of dry whelk. Now, how much water we need is a 14 pool of teaspoon. So, this is on the. We boil it for 2 hours. No, it's 2 hours, yeah. This is not soup, this is congee, so we need to press on soup 2 hours. So, we need to put the dry tangerine with the cold water. The rest of the ingredient we put it after a boiling water. Okay everybody, thank you for watching. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like, please share to your friends or you subscribe. Thank you.